Once signed into MalyPLUS, you can access your account by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner. Your features will appear in the drop-down, including Library Card, Favorites, and Search History. Under Library Card, you'll be able to view your current loans and their due dates, any requests or holds you have in place, any overdue fines or associated fees, and any blocks or messages from library staff. You can also edit your contact information under Personal Details. The two icons in the upper right-hand corner next to your name are for Search History and Pinned Favorites. You can also find these in the drop-down by clicking on your account. Under My Favorites, you can save resources and add labels to organize items by project, course, or any method you may find useful. To remove an item from Favorites, click on the pin icon to the right in each item line. Under Saved Searches, you can review a list of queries that you have saved. To save a search, click the brown Save Query option located at the top of the results page. A yellow banner will appear confirming the save and give the option to turn on notifications when new materials are added. Confirm the email and click Save Query to allow notifications. To turn off notifications, go to the Save Searches page and uncheck the bell on the right-hand side of each line. Search History saves your searches for each MalyPLUS session. Closing the window or tab will end that session, and signing back in will start a new one. Make sure you save a specific search if you intend to use it for continued reference. If at any point while using MalyPLUS you encounter technical issues, you can click on the speech bubble with an exclamation point in the lower right-hand side of the page. Options for reporting will appear. Select the most applicable option and follow the instructions for submission. A link to that page will be forwarded to the librarian to review. If you would like a follow-up on the issue, provide your email address before submitting. The features found on MalyPLUS are intended for students to use for efficient research and effortless searching. If you encounter any issues, please email a librarian at library@athenaeum.edu.